is your name and where are you from?
Julia Smith, and I'm from Buffalo, Missouri.
And how did you originally hear about our company?
From my daughter. She loved you guys and said she'd bring everything to you that was the type of work that you do from now on.
Now, what did you like most about working with our company?
Everybody was so kind and went above and beyond for all my needs.
And then what makes our company different from other companies like us?
They're open, honest, they care, and they do a wonderful job and just treat you with kid gloves. Just treat you so well.
And on a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you with the work our company did for you?
And
And then would you recommend our company to a friend or family member and why?
yes, I would recommend you to anybody and everybody for the same reasons. You know, you guys are honest, you're easy to work with, you just go above and beyond for the customer, and you get it done fast, timely, like, yeah, just everything you could think of. It's been like a perfect experience, honestly.